Hello there, welcome to MX24's Event Guide, your sure plug to events happening in and around the city. My name is Afi Nuna and I am your special event curator. You know, MX24 Event Guide is noted for every single thing event, from concerts to church programs to parties to just name it. We are definitely going to be there to make your event a memorable one. Now, if you want your event amplified on our platforms, do well to reach out to us via WhatsApp number 059-888-9441. 059-888-9441. Do well to visit mx24.events for everything tickets and also to be updated on events happening around you. Today we are talking Ghana Caribbean Gala, and in studio with me are two very amazing gentlemen who have made me laugh before the camera started. Hi, gentlemen.
Hello.
Good morning.
How are you?
Hi, K-boy. How
morning,
you doing?
Good, I'm good.
Hi, Franz.
Good morning, finally.
We get to meet in person.
Yes.
Now, Ghana Caribbean Gala.
Yeah.
Talk to us. What is it about? How did it come about? Tell us more about the event.
All right, so the Ghana Caribbean Gala is on August 1st, 2026, of course.
Definitely.
At Alisa Hotel. And it's in celebration of our culture, heritage, and connecting the two regions together. So we have the Ghana and Caribbean. So the Ghana Caribbean Association has been around since 1964, and we are now, engaging into a lot more events, a lot more. Just give me some help here, France.
Okay, so events, yes, to showcase
Yes.
the culture and so forth, but also community involvement and cultural exchange through events and so forth. And one of the biggest things that we have adapted is to business development between the two regions, which is a huge part of that. And with the appointment of His Excellency KKD, Special Envoy to the Caribbean, it has made it even easier now for both regions to communicate and eventually develop some connectivity for trade and for everything, where we have students in Jamaica who are interested in coming here for student exchange, and also Ghanaian students. So part of the organization is to help foster these things, help foster business, help foster cultural development. And for those of us who are here, for the Ghana Caribbean Association, is to develop a community center. And the property has already been acquired in Winneba.
Okay.
And we are going to be developing a wonderful community center. And that's part of the legacy of us returning home and presenting to our ancestral home.
That's actually a very beautiful initiative taken by the Ghana Caribbean Association, right?
Yes.
Now, I know recently you held an event.
Yes.
What was that about, and how does it link to the upcoming gala?
Okay, so the Ghana Caribbean Week happened on June 1 to 7th. So we had Sights and Sounds from the first, where we had content, we had cultural displays, all of these things on TV, radio, through the media, where we showcased Caribbean culture. And then on the 5th, we had our opening ceremony, which was amazing. You guys were there.
Hey, MX24 was there, yes.
Visit MX24 for every picture, every video of what happened there, while they give us a recap.
Oh yeah, and we also had some special guests, because we're trying to bridge that gap. Yeah. And I think, as you said, with the appointment of His Excellency KKD, we've been able to bring on a lot of high-level diplomatic engagement. So we had a lot of diplomatic engagement from the Caribbean High Commissions. We had people from here like Kojo Ntwi, who gave an address. We have Honorable Tekpa, who gave another address as well. He was our keynote speaker. Okay. He's the advisor to the President for Economy. So it was an amazing program, and we went into our market day, which was also amazing as well.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. It was amazing. It was a great program, and we're looking to make it bigger next year. Definitely. So it's a part of our mandate to engage both regions into business, culture, entertainment, everything, the whole works. So the gala is just a small branch of it.
Small branch of it.
It's the fundraiser. It's actually the fundraiser
fundraising gala,
for the community center. So everything It was initially supposed to be the end of that week.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But I think we couldn't get some of the diplomats who wanted to be there and government officials who
Yes.
wanted to be there. So we moved it to August 1st. So everyone, and
yeah,
some
maximum.
persons are flying in for it's
right.
going to be a fun evening.
That's very, very, look into the future so that everybody can come.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But
Definitely.
this gala, who is it open to? If I'm Caribbean or if I'm Ghanaian?
Oh.
Like, who is it open to?
Anybody.
Who isn't allowed there? Who is allowed there?
Who isn't allowed there? People who haven't paid. No. Everybody else is allowed.
No tickets, no entry.
No,
That
no
is all.
entry.
Yeah, man, it's open to everyone.
It's open to
Yeah,
everyone,
it's pretty open to everyone. We don't discriminate.
It's a cultural exchange, and so we can't have it isolating at all. It's for everyone.
Everybody.
You said,
Ghanaians, Caribbeans,
oh,
Nigerians,
yes,
Liberians.
and yes,
Anybody.
South Africans.
We'll screen those. I'm kidding.
Ask a few questions first, you know.
We'll
no,
be there
they're welcome.
No,
Wink,
it's
wink.
pretty open. Yeah, man, pretty
This
open.
is
Even
proper.
Chinese people can come.
Okay, so we are still talking the Ghana Caribbean Gala happening on the 1st of August 2026 at Alisa Hotel. Time is 6 p.m.
Red
The
carpet.
red carpet
Red carpet.
starts at 6 p.m. The main event starts at 7. And tickets are going for 600 cities.
Only.
600 cities only, and you can visit MX24.events for your tickets. No, let me let them say it so that you will trust that MX24 Events can do that. Please, where can they get tickets?
MX24 events. Oh, you mean?
Only place.
MX24.events. That's it.
That's all.
That's it. That's all you have to do.
all.
Visit MX24.events and join us on the 1st of August 2026. Let's have some fun. I'll see you at your next event.